Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have TECHNICS EAH-AZ60 headphones and I'm going to show you what to do if only one earbud is working. At first open the case lid and remove both of your headphones. Now check if near these pins is some dust and check if they are moving. If they are, that's good, but not too far. It's because these headphones have to charge. Now you have to clean these headphones and pins near here and here if there is some dust. If there is no dust, that's very nice. But if there is, you have to clean it. The same here and here. Apart from that, you have to check if your case is charging. Over here, plug the USB Type-C cable and check if it's charging. Then, forget your headphones from your phone and pair them again. Now check if your second bud is working and if it's charging. If it still doesn't work, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!